Welcome to the stunning modern museum, the National Museum of Qatar. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fame Global Services YouTube channel. Join with us again to the second episode of our video and let's continue discovering the interesting history of Qatar. Let's explore what makes the museum the best among the best. So finally, we entered the Desert Rose building. Wow, amazing! This is how the Desert Rose building looks like inside. Beautiful and elegant. As we get inside, we get up into this markedly giant batala. Batala is a traditional face mask worn by Qatari Arab elder women. So here we are. I have nothing to say but wow, this is awesome. I'm in a different world now. The amazing multimedia system, mixing lights and videos is remarkable. We learned a lot and amazed at how they preserve some of the artifacts in the museum. This modern museum has a marvelous architectural plan. This museum has an aquarium that is worth watching. The great exhibition spaces, the video installation on the wall, the ambience, the music is bringing us to a different world, the world of the Qatari people in the past, and its marvelous transformation of today's generation. National Museum of Qatar is fantastic. You can walk for a couple of hours to admire this spectacular museum. It is not a classical museum. It has many interactive panels, interesting videos, and many ancient artifacts. Fascinating past and present of Qatar once became home to the pearl divers and nomadic shepherds, and now the natural gas, a modern oasis that made Qatar the world's richest country. for its natural oil and gas that made this country wealthiest, the best achievement that every country would dream of. National Museum of Qatar is one of the best kept museums in the world, with a lot to offer to the tourist. One will never get bored gazing through the collections. This is a nice place to visit with friends and family if you have nothing to do. You will find it fun and educational. When you get inside, forget about boredom and welcome the excitement. I extremely recommended National Museum of Qatar for everyone and to the kids. The staff members are always there to assist you. You can take pictures anywhere. The National Museum of Qatar is great and a must visit in Doha. Thank you for watching our episode number 2. Stay connected and tune in to our episode number 3, The Transformation of Qatar into a Modern Qatar.